attending government secondary school.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the highlight of the night. The next award goes to a consummate politician, a champion of progress, a visionary leader, steering a state to a brighter future, the dynamic leader of his people. Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the year is Excellency Governor Siminalayi, Governor of Rivers ceremony. And I insisted that the commission must do the presentation. But you see, he also, is a very witty man. He said, age before beauty. So it turned out me, I'll be 87 in July. And this young man is coming gradually. So on behalf of the publisher, the Dr. Senator Oji Uzokari, the board, management of the new Telegraph, and our daughter, the chairman of the Sun, is here, and we are seeing the biggest delegation this evening. We are presenting this award to the Man of the Year. Man of the Year among over 200 million Nigerians. So this is the Man of the Year. So it's a great pleasure to present to Gov Fubara of Rivers State, the Man of the Year. And I will ask the Governor of SYMFONI to support my motion.
I hereby support that motion, and this award should go to the right person, my brother Fubara. Thank you.
Man of peace, leader of the people of Rivers, ladies and gentlemen, Man of the Year, Governor Siminalayi, Fubara KFC.
The publisher of New Telegraph, management, the publisher of New Telegraph, the board and management, Your Excellencies, that I hear distinguished senators, members of the National Assembly, honorable members, my very wonderful friends and supporters that are here. Let me first appreciate the management of New Telegraph for recognizing these very wonderful personalities. We are more than 2 million persons in this country. But somehow, through your search, you discovered a few of us. And this very special night, you are according us special recognition. I want to thank the management for that. Today for me is a very special day, and also special for everyone who has believed in me. And I know for believing in me, you have a share of special pain. Some of these pains, some persons describe them as weakness, while others see it as being strong. But I choose, for a lot of reasons, to be weak. Weak because I want peace. Weak because we need to survive. Weak because I need to also protect those things that are dear, not just to me, but to our dear nation. So I want to say it's a special day for everyone. Continue to believe in what you believe in. Weakness is a virtue. It pays at the right time. Let me also say a special thank you to the board again, and also dedicate this award first to God Almighty for making this day for us. To my dear family, unfortunately, my dear wife has gone to pick my children. They are still under 18, so they can't approach without a guardian. To the wonderful people of River State that have shown support, shown quietness, shown maturity that has brought us this far. I will also now end, I don't want to hear how you interpret it or misinterpret it, to also dedicate this award to somebody who also discovered me, not minding the situation, the Honorable Minister of Gov City, my brother. He discovered me, and it's a discovery that gave me this loudness. Thank you for everything. I want to wish everybody a very peaceful night. Enjoy yourself with caution. We are going to see you again sometime this year. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Congratulations, Your Excellency. Please stay back and stay. Please, let's go back. Thank you very much. My fellows, let's stay back. I'd like all our winners tonight to please come up with their awards. Thank you, the people of Rivers. Your governor is safe with us. Thank you. Thank you. You here? I'm told that the Security Personnel of the Year, High Chief Dr. Government, or where is he there?